everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. It looks like it's about to start storming here in Florida, so you might hear some thunderstorms. In the summer, it typically does seem to storm for like at least an hour around like 4 or 5 p.m. It's about 4 right now, so it's about that time. So sorry if you hear anything. I'll probably react to it, but hopefully it's all good. But anyways, I hope the weather is okay wherever you are and not too rainy, not too hot. But anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbering. Today I'm super excited because I'm opening my July Simply Earth box. This is an essential oil recipe box and it is so awesome. This is the second one I've ever received. So I have no idea what's coming in it. We will find out soon when I unbox with you. But before we get started, I just wanted to remind you all that I do have my 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It ends around July 7th, so I will leave a link down below. It is open international, so definitely check it out if you have not yet entered. It's a pretty good one, at least I think so. I hope you think so as well. But anyways, let's get into the box. So this is what it looks like. The first one looked a little different because when I subscribed, I also got the bonus box, and at this time you can still get a free bonus box that comes with like a lot of things you can use to make your essential oil recipes, and it has a $40 value, so that is super awesome. So your first box will probably be a little bit bigger than this. So like I said, this is the July box and it ships July 1st, which is in just a few days. The June box is already sold out, so you will not be getting that one. But yeah, let's get started. I just realized when I was about to open it with my scissors, there's a sticker here that says hand-packed by Cheryl. Can you guys see her? I'm trying to cover up my information. Hopefully I'm able to show you and don't have to edit it out. I think I have it covered. But that's cute. Thanks, Cheryl. So last month they gave me a promo code. I think it still works, so you should get that free $40 bonus box along with a gift certificate. So that's really awesome perk. So I'll leave all the information and the link and the promo code down below if you're interested. I know one of you guys subscribed last month and you got the box the very next day. Sorry, there's a cat making some noise. Emmy, what are you doing? So if you see me like looking around, I can just tell she's about to be naughty in some way. I can hear her scratching something. Yeah, what I was saying was that one of you guys ordered the June box and you got it delivered the very next day, which is insane. I don't know if that's always typical, but they ship out really fast. So yeah, right when July 1st hits and you subscribe, I'm sure you will be getting it soon after that. When I open it up, this is what I see. So they give you stickers to label all of the recipes you make, which is super convenient and awesome. Plus the stickers are super cute and high quality. Oh, now we can kind of get a sneak peek of what we will be making this month. So this is what they look like, so you can label everything. So I guess I should tell you what comes in here in case you missed my last video. If you did, I'll link that down below. I just wrote this down just so I would not forget. But each month you get all the ingredients, containers, extras, everything you need to make 6 natural essential oil recipes. So that is super awesome. So we even have the labels which will go on the containers if you wish. I'm super excited about that. So I'll kind of look at this as we are going along. I'm trying not to peek right now so I don't get like all the details. And here are all of the essential oil recipe cards, which are super awesome. And then underneath that, we'll see the 4 essential oils we got along with any extras needed. And it looks like there's a balloon in there. But what I'm gonna do, I think I did this last time, I'm just gonna go through the recipe cards and kind of pull out the ingredients as we go along. So the first one is called Homework Diffuser Blend. So to make this, it says you need 1 drop of tangerine essential oil and 1 drop of fir needle essential oil. So let's take those out. I'm so excited to get the thunder's starting. But I'm so excited to get the tangerine essential oil because I just love citrus scents. Like I have orange, I believe, but I don't have tangerine. So this is what it looks like. And I love their bottles because it comes with extra information on the side. You guys might not be able to see, I can't tell in the viewfinder, so I'll read it to you. So this is the Simply Earth Tangerine 100% pure essential oil. It is 15 mLs. It says the plant part this comes from is the fruit peel. Its origin is USA. Ingredients, and this is a plant name. I've gotten some criticism that I should be able to pronounce all plant names because of my degree. I'm like, I didn't specialize in plants. But this is a Citrus reticulata. I think I might have said that one right. And then the aroma is tangy, citrus, and sweet. And this is child safe for ages 2 and up. And then they give 1% kids max topical dilution. And then it says caution, do not use undiluted on the skin. Keep out of reach of children. So they give like all great information on here. I love that it tells like kids ages and stuff like that. I don't have children. I know some people are concerned about like what's safe with pets and not. So last month I just like included a resource, like a link online to look up any essential oils you know, that you may have and if they're safe to be diffused or used around your pet. So I'll leave that down below as well. I always suggest contacting your veterinarian as well if you have any questions. But let's see what this smells like. This smells so good. Exactly what I imagined. Awesome. This smells great. I heard citrus is good for like motivation or like just getting you going through a day, so that could be really good for this homework diffuser blend. So this is good for kids, I guess, to get them like concentrating on their work. But let's see, the next one is fir needle, which is interesting. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is 100% pure essential oil and 15 mLs. And it has all of that information that we talked about in the last one, so I'll read that to you. I'm not sure if it is legible on the screen. So this comes from the plant part of needles. Its origin is Russia. Ingredients: Abies sibirica. And the aroma is evergreen. This is also for children or anyone ages 2 and up. Let's see what this smells like. I feel like it's gonna smell like Christmas or something. Oh my god, it smells exactly what you would think. It does smell like a Christmas tree. It smells good. Oh my gosh. So what it says to do for this one is to add the essential oils to the diffuser and diffuse in an open room for an uplifting aroma to help your child focus for homework for 15 minutes or less. And you could also use this for your own concentration if you're like me and you don't have kids or anything like that. And also it's summer, like, but I know a lot of people with kids have their kids do like activities in the summer to keep them like in that homework like mindset. So yeah, you can use this for yourself. Oh, and I'll link below my diffuser I bought on Amazon that I use. It was affordable and I love. I use it all the time. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll link that down below. I think I did last month as well. But anyways, it says, love the blend. Create a master blend by adding 50 drops of each oil to a 5 ml blend bottle from your bonus box. Add 1 to 2 drops from your master blend to your diffuser for especially focused homework time. Tip: children under 10 years old breathe more often than adults are more likely to become sensitive to essential oils. They also need very little exposure to essential oils to get their benefits. Interesting. Oh, and there's a sneak peek on the next month's box, so I will leave this nearby. So I'm gonna try and remember. I'll put it right here so we can talk about that at the end. We won't talk about August already. Oh my god, next month is August? It's crazy. Time goes by so fast. Okay, but let's see. So the next one is Sweet Dreams Roll On, and for this it says use 2 drops of the Sweet Dreams blend, 10 ml of fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 ml roll-on bottle. And then you're supposed to add the essential oils to the roll-on bottle, swirl to mix, and then fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And to use, apply the blend to pulse points for a natural way to settle your child before bedtime. I think the theme this month is like just children in general. I remember that from last month, like, you know how we have a sneak peek now. And on the back of this card, it also tells you about the box. So I will read about the box, and then we will look into the Sweet Dreams essential oil. Okay, so about this month's box. Essential oils are powerful and it's important to respect them when using them with kids. That's why this recipe box includes kid-friendly oils and kid-safe recipes to enhance your child's wellness. We don't recommend using essential oils on or around children under 2. For more information about essential oils with kids, look for our blog post, How to Use Essential Oils Safely with Kids. I'll look that up and link that blog post down below for those who do have children and or those who are interested or just around kids, want more information, whatever. I will link that below. I feel like I've been saying link that below this whole time, but hopefully someone out there will find these useful. So yeah, awesome. Now let's move on to this third oil. So this is the Simply Earth Sweet Dreams 100% pure essential oil, and it is again 15 ml like the rest. And since this is a blend, it looks a little bit different, the labeling. So it says, this blend is designed to calm and ready your child before bedtime. Ingredients: cedarwood, Himalayan, marjoram, frankincense, lavender, and German chamomile. And it also says child safe for 2 and up, but it looks like they think all essential oils are for children 2 and up, or at least most, and they'll let you know if they think you should be even older. But this smells lovely. And it does. I love the smell of sleep blends. So good. All right, the next one, the next recipe is the lavender scented bubbles recipe. And I guess I haven't been really showing you the cards, but aren't these so like cute? I love how one side is a recipe and the other one's like informative. I hope you guys are okay with the format of this video. I think it's fun to go through the cards and then pull out any ingredients and stuff like that. So let me know down below. Either way, if you like it, don't like it. But for lavender scent and bubbles, you need 1.5 cups of warm water, 1/2 cup of dish soap, clear and unscented works best, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and a bubble wand. It says mix together all the ingredients in a jar or sealable container. Reuse an old bubble wand to make calming bubbles, or check out this DIY bubble wand ideas to make your kids on our blog post for this recipe. Tip: a ring from the lid of a jar is a great option. Oh, interesting. So the last oil that we haven't talked about yet is lavender oil, and I go through lavender oil. Like, I've gone through multiple of them, so I'm happy to have another one. I think I may have some downstairs where I keep my essential oils, but I'm always welcome to more lavender. So again, this is 100% pure essential oil, 15 mLs. And this is what it looks like, and we have the information there. So let me read it to you. So the plant part is from the flowers. Origin is France. Ingredients: Lavandula officinalis. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter. Aroma: fresh and floral, and it says child safe for 2 and up. And I realize I have like makeup on my fingernails. Sorry if you guys have been seeing that when I show you the essential oil. So I love the smell of lavender. I know not everyone does, but so good. And on the back of this card, let's see what it says. It says July cause of the month, A21 Amsterdam. We believe in a world without slavery. For 10 years now, we've rolled up our sleeves and set our feet to action. Why? Because in a single moment, a number can turn into a name, a tragedy into a victory, and belief into action. Freedom. That's our goal for every human being on the planet. The quote above, the quote I said, is A21's mission statement. A21 has different offices all over the world. This month, we're supporting their Netherlands location with 13% of our monthly profits to help end human trafficking forever. Simply Earth gives 13% because the average age of an individual entering human trafficking is 13. Oh, that's tragic. I'm so glad that this is supporting such a good cause, and I love that Simply Earth gives back. I've said this before, whenever I purchase something or have a box that gives back, I just feel so much better about my purchase. It makes me feel good. So that's awesome. That makes me love Simply Earth even more. All right, moving on to the fourth recipe, the DIY scented stress ball. Ingredients: balloon. I saw that in there. I was wondering what this was for. So there's a balloon in here. It says 1 cup of flour. That's not included, but I think most people probably have that. Or is it? I don't know. Oh, it is. Never mind. Ignore me. I just saw a star by it, so I thought maybe. A funnel, empty water bottle or similar container, 5 drops of the tangerine essential oil, 5 drops of the fir needle essential oil, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. It says pour the flour into an empty bottle using a funnel, add essential oils to the bottle, and shake well to mix. And then the instructions are continued on the back, and it says blow the balloon up, then allow for it. Okay, I'm confused. You might possibly have to use your own flour at home. But it says blow the balloon up, then allow it to deflate. This helps to stretch it out and hold the flour mixture. Attach the end of the balloon to the bottle opening. Squeeze the flour mixture into the balloon, and then pinch the end of the balloon and remove from the bottle. With the balloon still pinched, gently squeeze out excess air to the desired firmness. Tie balloon, and then step 7, to use squeeze balloon to help erase stress. That's so interesting. So that is what it looks like. So this is the balloon, and on it says Simply Earth. So you'll know this is your stress ball. I never thought to use a balloon for it, but it makes sense. That seems what stress ball materials are like. So I was confused because it said flour and then you use it at home, but there's psyllium husk powder. So I didn't know if this is what they were talking about, food grade soluble fiber. So I don't think we've come across why we're using this yet. But that is everything that's in the box, so we'll see soon probably. The next thing is, oh yeah, we're about to talk about it. You can make natural slime. I know kids love slime these days. So it says use 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of the psyllium husk powder. Okay, now we know. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 drop of tangerine essential oil, 1 drop of lavender essential oil, 3 to 4 drops of natural food coloring, which is optional, and 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. And then you're supposed to add this all to a medium-sized pot for the stove or a large bowl for the microwave. Add in fiber, cornstarch, and food coloring. Stir to combine. On the stove, place on medium-low heat and bring to a boil. Allow it to boil for 8 minutes. Do not stir. Keep an eye out on your pot for this mixture. It has a tendency to boil over. And then give some microwave directions. And then it tells you in a small bowl, add essential oils to fractionated coconut oil and stir to combine. Pour oils over the mixture. Allow it to cool completely. Enjoy the wonderful sensory experience of slime, and then store in an airtight container when you're done. So these cards are so cute. And if anyone's like interested in the directions or something, just leave a comment down below. I can like type them out if I'm talking too fast. Or you can get them in your box if you feel like ordering this amazing thing. Amazing subscription. So the last fun recipe is a Sweet Dreams bath. So ingredients are 1 cup Epsom salts, 3 drops of Sweet Dream essential oil blend, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. And then you're supposed to, in a small bowl, mix the Sweet Dreams blend and the fractionated coconut oil. Add the oil mixture to Epsom salt, stir to combine. To use, add 1/4 cup to a bath to help your child calm down and be ready for bed. And you guys all know baths aren't just for kids, because we all love our baths and our bath bombs and all that stuff. So you guys can do this too for yourself. And on the back of this one, it talks about the essential oils themselves. So it says tangerine essential oil. This uplifting oil will help put a smile on your face. Its happy citrus oil is great for fighting mental fatigue, relieving stress, and helping you detox and digest. The fir needle essential oil is good at cough relieving, fatigue defending, pain reducing, and airborne deodorizing qualities. All make this oil one you will be sure to love. Its piney scent will have you wanting to keep it for winter and incorporate it into gifts for the men in your life. Lavender, we all know lavender. It says, all hail the queen of oils. So true. I'm sure you were excited to see this oil in this month's box. Yes. Lavender has so many great uses, it's crazy. It's a skin healer, deodorizer, stress reliever, and pain reliever. It's a great oil to pull out after a long day to help calm and unwind. And then last, the Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend. All our blends are made up of strictly pure essential oils. This blend is designed to calm and ready your child before bedtime with cedarwood, marjoram, or frankincense, lavender, and German chamomile essential oils. Learn more at simplyearth.com/blog/stories. This is such a good box. I love this box so much. You guys have to let me know what you think. I know the few of you that have subscribed recently, you told me how much you loved it. Oh, let's look at what August is. Remember I said I would forget? I didn't forget. But yeah, I guess I should finish my thoughts on that. I think this was overall very good. I know I don't have children, but I feel like I could still get a lot of use out of these oils and do some of these recipes. And I think these are so cute, by the way. So yes, I'm happy. But next month's box, it says our August box is going to be all about face care. Okay, you guys know I love skincare. We know how much you love our natural exfoliant. That thunder's been rolling this whole video, hasn't it? And lotion recipes. We can't wait to share some new ones with you. Oils in next month's box. The Clear Skin Essential Oil Blend. Yes, frankincense, rosemary, and clove. Extras in next month's box. Reusable sheet mask. What? So cool. And a hydrosol. I don't know what that is. New. It says, tip, we're going to need some common household ingredients next month, so make sure that you have honey, oatmeal, brown sugar, and aloe vera gel. Liquid aloe vera won't work. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that one. That's like right up my alley. I have to make it and try it and give you guys feedback, but yeah, I'm already excited for August, which is crazy to think about August. But anyways, I will leave all the information I said I would leave down below in the description box, all the links, all the giveaways, all the good stuff, promo codes. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you guys are having a great day and have a great weekend. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.